Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The topic is the forces and equilibrium. So this is a June 1641 variant question number 4. So system equilibrium mentioned here, and we have given this data given. It is very important. Some students try to take tan inverse. When they take tan inverse, they lose accuracy. Okay, you will not take tan inverse. You will make a triangle like this, 90-degree alpha. Opposite, tan is opposite by adjacent. So opposite is here and adjacent is here. And now this is called x. So apply Pythagoras theorem, x square equal to 7 square plus 24 square. If you take a root, it becomes 25. So this is 25. Then what is sine alpha? Sine alpha is opposite by hypotenuse. So 7 by 25. And what is the cos alpha? Adjacent by hypotenuse, so 24 over 25. So I will use these values now. Let's start. So first of all, I will draw this cross, and this force acting is here 48 newtons, and this force acting downwards is 14 newtons, and this is acting here P newtons, and angle is theta. Okay. And I think so, maybe angle is wrong, maybe. Yeah, this is a alpha. Okay. And wait a minute. Theta and alpha. Yeah, alpha is here. Alpha is here. Exactly. Alpha is given this here. All right. And 50 is Newton upward acting. And this is theta, and this is 90. If this is 90, if this is 90, for example, this is 90. Clear? So if this is a 90, is very interesting. It is 90. How much angle here total? I just use red marker to explain you. All of you know this is if this is a alpha, how much this comes? 90 minus alpha. So can I say this angle from here till here is 90 minus alpha? I think clear. Reason is very clear. How much angle between x-axis and y-axis? 90. So if this full is 90, alpha gone, this is 90 minus alpha, right? Okay. And my question, can you see this full angle? How much this angle? 90. Okay. If this full 90, so out of 90, leave this angle. Why this leaving? Because I want to find this angle, this smaller one. Again, repeat. This angle is 90, between 48 and P Newton. So angle is 90. So in 90, this is 90 minus alpha. How much this one? So subtract. When I subtract, minus, minus, and minus, minus, plus, this cancel. Can I say this is a smaller one, alpha? So that is where I approached easily. Okay? Harder task is this only. Now, I think rest you know how to break the components. Not a hard job. So let's start. The component of this force, for you special, if any force acting here 48 angle, and angle is alpha, so this is and this component. So angle given is called cos component. Angle not given is called sine component. This is a fixed formula we have. So let's start. One acting parallel to x-axis and one acting parallel to y-axis. So this alpha, so I use alpha, and this become 48 cos alpha. And this become 48 sine alpha. Is very, very clear. Let's talk about this component. This is very clear. So let's make it here. So this one force acting downwards, you can see, and one acting, this is parallel to y-axis, this is parallel to x-axis. Because alpha mentioned here, with alpha, with angle, cos component, and with no angle is called sine component. I'm writing 14 sine alpha. I think I resolved. Okay, this left. Okay, talk about this. It has two components, one this way and one downwards. One parallel to x, one parallel to y. Because theta here, and I said angle given, cos component. Angle not given here, sine component. So I think I'm close to my answer now. So let's see how to take the components. Okay, let's talk about the horizontal component. So what does a horizontal component mean? Horizontal component. Okay, horizontal mean right and left. System equilibrium, can I say left force equal right force? Correct. So right force is this one, 48 cos alpha. Right force finished. Left force is 2. One this, one this. I will take both. P cos theta plus 14 sine alpha. This is called horizontal component. You can see this, and this. Let's talk about vertical components. So, vertical component. So, vertical component means upward equal to downwards. Upward is 50 and downward is this and this and this. You can see clearly. So, 50 equal to 48 sine alpha and plus 15 cos alpha and plus P sine theta. Okay. I can replace the values. Look, sine alpha given here 7 by 25. So P cos keep as it is. And this I took on other end 48. Cos alpha is 24 by 25. Okay. And talk about this one. So minus 14 and sine alpha is 7 by 25. So this is very clear. Please type in calculator and give me fraction value. Fraction, sorry, not in a decimal, please. Okay, fraction give value from here. Similarly, I'll make a subject this one. So P sine theta alone, it goes there. 50 minus 48, sine alpha value is 7 by 25. And this is also 14 times 2, cos alpha value is 24 out of 25. Give me this number. 24, 48 into 24. Okay, so 48 and 24, and this answer is coming 1054 by 25. Similarly, I will type this one. So 50 minus 48 into 7 divided by 25 and divided by 25. This is coming answer P sine theta is coming 578 by 25. So I got both values. Now I'm going to use them, and my question, what is the sine square plus cos square? Sine square plus cos square is always give you 1, you know it. Or I think so, if I divide, I can get answer. Better divide. Okay, how divide? This equation number 1, this equation number 2, and 2 equation divided by 1. What is the benefit of it? P sine theta up, P cos theta down. PP cancel, and I got tan theta left hand side. Okay, what is right hand side? This keep it up 578 by 25, and this keep it down 1054 by 24. 25 25 cancel, and let's see, 578 divided by 1054, and I get 17 by 31. So let's find the tan inverse. And my answer is coming by taking tan inverse of the whole thing. And answer is coming 28.7 degree. So I got the angle, right? And if I need to find out what left, theta left. So if I keep this value back in any equation, I can put in this equation. I'll get easily. So put in 1. So put in 1. So what happened? P cos in the bracket 28.73979 equal to 1054 by 25. So let's see what answer comes. So take cos of this answer, and so I have already 1054 by 25 and divided by the answer, and my answer is coming, P is 48.08. So P is 48.1 newtons. So you can see this, a long working is there, but anyway, hardest task is here, just putting the value. Make sure I put sine alpha 7 by 25. You see, this value of sine alpha I kept 725, and cos is 24 by 25, and the whole story clear.